Where's Grandpa? It's not Grandpa. Grandpa's out there, playing golf.
Grab the golf club.
Get the golf club, Ray. It's right there.
Golf club there.
Right, Ray.
Grandpa has to go get you a ball.
It's right there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You ready?
Don't hit me.
Don't hit Mama. Uh-oh, we almost hit Mama. That's not too good.